This video is showing how to turn on your mic and camera while you're in the digital classroom. So sometimes you'll come into digital classroom and you'll see these few buttons at the bottom. This button right here, this is first for turning on your mic. You click that, and from these two options, you want to always click microphone. And after you click that, it's going to ask you if you hear yourself or not. So you have to speak into your microphone, say test, test, mic check 1, 2, 3. And if you hear yourself, you click yes. But if you don't hear yourself, you click no. And on this screen, what you're doing is you're clicking on here and you're going to have to basically kind of test, go to a different microphone, and then you're going to click retry, and you're going to do that same check again. If you hear yourself, then you click yes. If you don't, you got to go back, try a different microphone, and then retry again. If you do hear yourself, just click yes, and then you're good to go. Next, turning on your camera, you're going to click this button. Kind of looks like a old school camera. And here you're just like checking your camera, making sure you look okay, and then you're also doing quality. This is like how much, low quality or medium quality is fine, and then start sharing. So when your camera's sharing, you'll see yourself in the screen. One more thing, we may ask you to share your screen. This is basically asking you to, so we can see if you're taking a test or something. This is a good way for security. We're not controlling your computer. It's just a way to just see if, just make sure you're not doing anything, and you just click share. That's it.